I'm from Los Angeles, man. We invented games.
You did not. I do want to point out that I'm carrying like a bag full of all my essentials, one big tripod and this camera. And I only had 3 hours of sleep last night, so.
One man, one team, one mountain.
We didn't even make it like 1 mile yet. It's gonna get wet, so I'm probably gonna put my camera away now.
Why?
Because I don't want my camera to get wet.
New one. Oh, finally, downhill.
Never felt so happy about walking downhill.
Boy.
I want like McDonald's chicken nugget.
Dude.
I could go for some Korean barbecue, honestly.
Yeah.
This is like my second, third, fourth, fifth. I don't even know how many times break
Too many.
already.
My viewers.
My knees are kind of like giving in at this point. But
And right now you're resting on it too.
yeah, oh my god.
Right here.
Talked it through with my friends, and apparently we're not gonna go any further than here. Is this Nevada Falls?
It'll just take too much time to get down.
Yeah. It's gonna be a little more dangerous, and it's kind of sad, but I think heading back down hill now. Still great view. I want food and cold drinks.
Back. Yeah.
We're back. We left the tent at 7 o'clock, got to the trail at 7:30. Now it's 3 p.m. 8 hours later, we're back to the
cut.